Right here in my hand in this very indescript box is a whole pile of 9-volt batteries. So why are there a whole pile of 9-volt batteries in my life? Because maybe like you watching this video, the microphone in particular that I'm using right now seems to eat 9-volt batteries. So I was looking for a more economical way to continue to feed it 9-volt batteries, and I found these Amazon Basic batteries. And this is actually, believe it or not, my second box. So I've used them, and I can tell you they last every bit as long as whatever the other name brand of 9-volt battery you're looking at. Comes with this one. I bought it with 12 batteries in it. Super reasonable. They work great. It has been a great answer for me around here in the Doug and Nikki Amazon Technology Center. Yeah, that's right. I go through a lot of these 9-volt batteries. In case you were curious, I definitely have had a lot of success with them. So I'm going to give them a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Say they are awesome and recommend them highly. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.